how to turn off broadcast notifications on Instagram. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your Instagram application and it will lead you to your homepage, right? Now, the next thing that you want to do is on the bottom part, you will see five different options there. Tap on that and it will lead you to your profile section or your profile page. Now, the next thing that you want to do is to on the upper right, you will see three dash lines there. Tap on that and then tap on settings. So under settings, what I want you to do next is to scroll just a little bit up until you see Instagram settings and then tap on notifications. Under notifications, what I want you to, you will see a lot of options, right? What I want you to do next is to tap on messages and calls here, and here you will see the messages from broadcast channels. Now here it's actually currently on. So since we want to turn off our broadcast notifications on Instagram, tap on off here, and basically that is how you turn off broadcast notifications on Instagram. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.